need. Christ is all I need. All I need. Christ is all I need. Christ is all I need. All I need. He was crucified. For me He died on Calvary. That He loved me so. This is why I know Christ is all I need.
Whatever the situation, whatever the circumstance, in every avenue of our life, Christ is all we need.
That's right.
Let's have a word of prayer. Father in heaven,